Right here you can see Disney's flagship store. It's called World of Disney. It's a pretty significant store. They have a Starbucks as usual, as you can never have too much coffee. All right, folks, welcome back to the channel. So today we are back out here in Orlando. We're gonna go inside Disney's flagship store here at Disney Springs, the World of Disney. Check it out. As you walk inside, this is what it looks like. Got the cash counter over there. Pretty cool lighting. Check out that artwork of Minnie, which is pretty cool. In fact, artwork of all the Disney characters over here. So I have 2 kids and I already know I'm gonna have to bring them to Disney World. I can only imagine how much that's gonna cost. They got all types of merchandise here in the Disney store. Disney pins, Disney teddy bears, bags, clothing, anything you can think of, they got it. Let's go this direction, because it's a pretty big store, so we'll start on this side. Over here they got Pirates of the Caribbean toys, Star Wars paraphernalia, got the baby items over here. It's all baby stuff. School bags, sweaters, a lot of kid stuff. Over here they got dresses for the girls. Down here we're coming up to bigger kids section. Clothes sizes are larger. And they have another cache over here. Right here they have jewelry. Disney partnering with Pandora. Interesting. Here we have some cushions. And this is another entrance to the store. There's jars and mugs on this side, as you can see. Homeware, bowls, French presses, and so on. Over here they got sweets and then a third set of cashiers. And then on this side of the store, it's all adult items, clothing, and so on. To my right, that's another exit where you can head right back out where you can see the Rainforest Cafe and the volcano. They also have an outpost of Wetzel's Pretzels out there. Pretty cool pretzel restaurant, similar to Auntie Anne's. Some solid pretzels there. Over here, it's the women's section. And then right here we have a fourth set of entrances and exits. And as we head through this exit here, we head right back out to the Lego store. Alright folks, that's it for our tour of the World of Disney store here in Lake Buena Vista at Disney Springs. Pretty cool store. It's Disney's flagship store here in Orlando. They sell a lot of Disney items, Disney merchandise. Definitely a place to check out, especially for the kids. I would say it's 75% items for kids and then 25% for adults. There's some adults who love their Disney paraphernalia, so I won't knock that. We're gonna end the video right here. Thank you guys for watching as usual. We do appreciate you watching. We'll catch you in the next video here in Lake Buena Vista, Orlando, Florida. Take care. Peace out, folks. We are coming up to the strolling piano, and this is a guy who's just driving around and playing the piano, which is pretty cool.
Wish I could be